Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to convert your string date variable into a numeric date variable. So first, I'm gonna tell you that there's a variable in my dataset that is called DOB, date of birth. So if you summarize it, DOB, you'll see that no statistics has been calculated and no observation showed. So if you go to data editor view, you can see that the DOB variable, there's a whole lot of information for this variable. However, nothing has been calculated in Stata command. So this means that this one is stored as a string variable, as I have said before, that this red color in the data editor view indicates that this is stored as a string variable. So we have to convert it into a numeric variable. Okay, so let's go to, in order to convert it to numeric variable, you have to create a new variable. So create or change data, create new variable, and I will name it DOB recorded, and then I'll go to expression builder, create, and then go to functions, date and time, and use the slider to find date. Double click here. So you'll get this in the parentheses, get rid of it, and then write the name of the variable, and then comma, and then start with the double quote, and now I'm going to write the format of the date. So first comes the month, then date and year, so all in capital letters, and then double quote end, and then click OK, and then click OK again. So this variable has been created, as you can see here, DOB recorded. So date of birth recorded, and if you list them, DOB, the original one, and DOB recorded in like first 10 observations. So what you see that the original one shows this all this data. However, this one, as the Stata has converted it to numeric one, however not in a date format. So we have to do the formatting now, so that we can do like this. Okay, so we go to data editor and then data manager again, and click on DOB recorded. So on the right hand side, in the variable properties, you go to change the format. So create here, and instead of numeric, choose daily. Okay, so and this, you can choose any of this format. I'm going to choose this format. So month comes first, and then okay, so then the date, and then the year, and click OK, and apply. So get rid of it, and now what you'll see is this. Use this list command again and hit enter. You'll see that they're like the similar. So August 24, 1943. So like this. So now we have successfully converted and formatted a string date variable into a numeric date variable. So therefore, if you go to data editor view, you'll see this that DOB recorded is in black color, and this one is, so black color indicates that this is stored as a numeric variable. So, and you can confirm it with the summarize command, in short sum, and then DOB recoded, hit enter, and then you will see that this, all the statistics has been calculated, confirming that this is now stored as a numeric variable in a date format. So I hope this was helpful. If you find this helpful, please put your comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.